So I just watched the guys at Syntax FM do well, I didn't watch. I watched them start a battle with Kevin Powell on CSSBattle. I just watched long enough to see what battle they are doing. I'm going to attempt the same battle. It sounds like they gave themselves 15 minutes and they were actually looking for the least number of characters, which equates to the highest score in CSSBattle. So it's battle 123, CSS Snake. They, like I said, had a 15-minute timer. I have a 15-minute timer on my phone, which I am starting as I click it. All right, so I am going to start by changing these divs to paragraph tags. One A, and then this is going to be a paragraph tag. I'm going to style my HTML by selecting star and saying background. And I need at least two more backgrounds, so I'm going to go ahead and say var minus minus b, comma, and grab this color. All right, I shouldn't care about margins for that, which is fine. Now, paragraph width is going to be something like, I don't know, 10. Height is going to be something like 10. It's actually going to be bigger than that. Let me go ahead and say position fixed. And I'm going to start moving stuff around. This one is going to be background 3. Oh, sorry, FFF. I only have to do B. Let me go ahead and start. I'm going to call this one A. I'm going to start all kinds of stuff. Call this one B. All right, so my top selector. Top 70, left 50. Bigger than that, not that big. 20, 20. 65, 70, 80, 74. This one's going to have border radius 50%. And okay, then we're going to have the top, probably 74 again. Let's see if we can condense that a little bit in a minute. Left, wait, 200. It's not bad. 120. There it is. And there is a border radius, but it is not as much. Radius 10%. 20. 25. That looks pretty good. Let's see what the div says later. Let's B is going to be this color. All right. And then I'm going to also do a color of that. And now box shadow. I hate when I do that. So this one's going to be like 30 pix 0. 8. 6. 5. 50 pix 0. 60 pix 0. How did that one look? Because it's not right. 75, 80. 100 pix 0. And then 100 pix 5 pix. And then 100 pix 50 175. So something is broken. Fix. Oh, there we go. And then 100 fix, 100 fix. Then start walking back. So 75 picks, 100 picks. Oh, how about that? Go. 50 picks, 100 picks, 25 picks, 100 picks, 0, 100 picks, minus 25, a comma, minus 50, 100, minus 75, 100, and finally minus 100, 100. All right, that diff looks pretty good to me. Let's see what happens. Okay, 600. So now cleaning some stuff up. Border radius. Gonna save a few characters by going var. Mumbling again. Geez. Var 50%. Close that. And then I can say here var. Whoops, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh, it's not inherited. Means that if I want to do that, I have to put it here. Not sure I'm saving characters now. Guessing. Okay, that's fine. This is a lot of characters, so should have thought about this when I was typing. Everyone after the comma, I can remove the space. It doesn't need it. Also, with minuses, it doesn't need it, but I don't have any inconvenient locations. All this stuff I can get rid of. All right, let's see how this does. There are certainly some ways I could save a few more characters, but I do have more time. But I'm going to go ahead and say this is my solution for today. Submit. I have 7.5 minutes left. Got 611.65 or 371 characters. We'll see how that compares to others.